Hello everyone, we are smart workers Zainab Jagida, Sadaf Jamada and Swati Bidwe. Our theme is well water conservation. Our topic is all about conservation, which well water which are not used by our people because they don't have any idea how to use the well waters, our precious waters. There are more than 700 wells are present in our whole city.
So we three have made a model to get an idea that how can we use the water of wells in our city. So in the well, suppose this is a well, in the well we have connected a motor through which our water can be easily supplied, and to purify the dirty water we have used a small filtration method. In the filtration method we have coal, pebbles, sand and cotton.
Our project here consists of purification. Here we have added our motor so that it can transfer to the areas, nearby areas where there is a well. And the main reason we have chosen the topic is because we can use it in a large scale and it is for everyone in our city, main in Bijapur. And the silent feature of this proposed solution is it is used in everywhere and it satisfies the use of water. So we have chosen this topic.
This prototype has an important point. It is used for everyone. This prototype helps us to conserve the water and transferring the well water of our well from one source to another.
A small example like Taj Bodi, Masa Bodi, Peti Bodi, these all well water are wasted day by day by washing clothes, utensils, etc. So instead of wasting the water, we can use it as a solution of water shortage in our city. And the process of transferring the water from the well is different and helpful for us in our Bijapur city.
The main intention is it is used for everywhere and it is satisfied and the water which we are using, which we are wasting, it can be preserved naturally, and by using the technology we have preserving the water. Water conservation for today is life conservation for tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you ATAL for giving us such an opportunity and this platform. And if we are selected in top 100, we will further refine our prototype. Thank you.